Are you worried that someone might have hacked your WhatsApp? Here are some simple ways to check and secure your account right away. First, open your WhatsApp and go to Settings. Tap on Linked Devices. This shows all the devices currently logged into your account. If you see any device you don't recognize, tap on it and leg it out immediately. Next, check for unusual activity. Look at your chats. Are there messages you didn't send or receipts you don't remember opening? That could be a sign someone else has access. Another warning sign if you suddenly get logged out of your account. This can happen if someone tries to register your number on another device. You should also watch out for verification codes. If you receive a code you didn't request, never share it with anyone. That's one of the most common ways accounts get hacked. Turn on Step 2 verification. Just go to Settings, tap Account, then two-step verification, and set up a PIN. This adds an extra layer of security. It's also a good idea to enable a screen lock for WhatsApp, so no one can open it without your fingerprint or passcode. And lastly, always keep your app updated to the latest version to stay protected from security issues. And that's it. Quick and easy ways to check if your WhatsApp is secured.